How to buy WAGMI United token. So this token came under the symbol of WAGMI. Now before so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the boost referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the month description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer. So the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good as many investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Open your funds wallet for that, and now after that click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. Here as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. After that click on swap here and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from your customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy WAGMI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.